Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by checking what your Xbox exposes. Controller 3. 5mm, USB ports, HDMI, or optical on older models. Once done, choose the simplest path for you. Wired headsets use the controller jack or USB. Wireless needs the Xbox wireless adapter. Make sure you have the right cable or adapter in hand so you can act immediately. This prevents back and forth mid-setup and explains why choice matters. Different ports change steps and audio routing on the console. Now plug the headset into the controller or USB port, or pair the wireless adapter to the console and headset. Then navigate Settings, General, Volume and Audio Output. Select Headset Audio and pick Stereo Uncompressed or Windows Sonic depending on headset. Adjust the chat/game mix so game sound and party chat sit where you want them. If HDMI sends sound to TV, make sure to disable TV speakers or change audio output to headset so audio actually reaches your headphones. Finish by testing with a game and a party chat to confirm both game and chat audio work. If you don't hear anything, first check mute switches, headset battery, and controller volume. Make sure the Xbox shows the headset as the active device. If still silent, repair wireless adapters, try a different USB/3. 5mm cable, and install controller or console updates. These steps isolate whether it's firmware, cable, or headset hardware causing the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.